Hi everyone, it's Ellie Storm here, and as you can see, I'm doing a little bit of creative mode right now where I'm just kind of going to build a little bit and update you guys as to what the heck has been going on and why I haven't really been uploading anything and things like that. As you guys know, I have been in college. So that's why I kind of wasn't uploading originally, but I just actually graduated recently in December, so now my shift has kind of went from basically I'm not doing uploads because I'm so busy with college to I'm not uploading because I'm currently looking for a job and things like that. So, the next important thing is what I would like to do next. So, I would like to start to basically do more uploads again. But I don't really know exactly what I want to do, other than the fact that I do know that I want to start doing more of a Minecraft series, so something along the lines of a survival series, or going back to my creative series that I had started where I was basically building things that you guys suggested. And so if you would want me to go back to that, I would need ideas for them. That's kind of why I stopped doing those, because they were really easy to do while I was at college, because I was just kind of doing a quick build of the thing that you guys wanted to see or something that I thought of, and it just really worked out for how everything was. But now that I'm no longer in college, I actually seem to have a little bit more time at home. So now I can more so do pretty much anything I want to. So I would like to try and do things like, let's see, what's a good example? Things like, I want to try like other games like that are not Minecraft. So something like, I play a lot of Overwatch right now at home. So maybe something like that, or maybe something more along the lines of just sticking to Minecraft if that doesn't work. I basically want to try a few of my games that I don't normally play. That sound, but so things like, I don't know, like I said, Overwatch, and maybe like Civilizations, things like that, basically, are what I'm looking for, and I don't know if it's going to work or not. So it's a lot of a testing process that I'm going to be starting to do. So basically, if you don't see a different video like Overwatch or something like that, it's because it doesn't work with the internet I have at home, because I am at home now since I graduated. So my internet is a little bit different and a little bit weird sometimes. It takes longer to upload things. So things that I record a day ago, if my family is all home, usually they will take about a day longer to upload. So like today is Friday that I'm recording this, so it could be done tonight because no one is home. But if someone does come home and gets on the internet, it could take longer to upload or things like that. And as you can see, I am kind of lagging sometimes. That's also from my internet not being able to connect with just Minecraft. So that's one of my major concerns, is things like that. getting in the way. So that's the first thing I want to do. Next, I will be trying to record with Sarah more often again, and actually posting the things that we do on my end. We had just been recording and she was doing everything because internet was not working for us to both be recording. So her and I are going to have to figure out who gets to record what kind of thing. And I don't really have any plans right now of what I would like to have done, basically. So I was thinking of maybe keeping things like the like Let's Build and like not Let's Build, Build Battle and like those kinds of things on my channel, and then she would have more so the other things like the Sky Wars and that, because they require a little bit more editing and I still don't have enough money to actually like go ahead and really just spend money on a recording system. So I am still using my old recording system that I was using at college. So that's kind of been a process in itself, in the fact that that takes a little bit of time. I can only record for 15 minutes each time, so I have to be aware of my recording session, and especially when I'm going to be trying to do things like Overwatch, those are going to be a little bit different because some of the game modes do take longer than others, so I would maybe only be able to do certain game modes. Yeah, so things like that are just things that I'm gonna have to test, basically. And like I said, I really don't know what's gonna be going on. So if there's a series that you liked that I used to do, I would just really like it if you guys could basically just let me know what it was that you want me to do, because it basically just makes it easier for me to sit there and go, oh, okay, everybody really liked this playthrough of this kind of thing. I could even go back to my very old stuff where I was doing like playthroughs of online games and playthroughs of like the monkey thing where you set down monkeys and turrets and things and you try to pop all the balloons before they get to the end. Balloon tower defense, I think it was called. Like, I could go back to doing things like that, but I don't really know what you guys want to see on my channel right now. So if you did like anything that I used to do, it'd be the best way for me to tell is that I get a whole bunch of likes on those kinds of videos, or I get comments asking me to build things again, like on my create series or my build series, my Let's Builds. If I get like comments or anything on any of those, I will go back to those and obviously do them again, because I really like those series because they're still really nice and easy to do. So yeah, things like that. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and also any ideas you have. Cool. I'll see you guys next time. Allie Storm out.